running as well as walking are very beneficial activities for us. It really can relax you, relax the tension. Anyone can do it. Either you are a man or woman, you're young or old, it really doesn't matter. You just need to start with a little bit of something. If you can't run, then you can start by walking. You do some nice walking, 40 minutes, 1 hour. If you start to move a little bit your body, naturally the body starts to get into this mood of activity, and very soon you can do a little bit more. You can walk a little bit longer, or you can walk a little bit faster. And similarly with running, everyone is capable of doing running, only you need to start somewhere. If you can run 500 meters at the moment, that's very good, so you start with that. Maybe you can do daily if it's not too long distance, so you run 500 meters. After a month you can maybe run 1 kilometer, and like this you can little by little increase the amount that you run and increase the speed. Just it has to be done in a correct way. If we want to do it in a long term, and if we want to do it for having the best health benefits, then it has to be done in a very peaceful mood. Often when we run, usually there can be two things that happens. Either one is I want to stop, I want to quit running, I run a little bit, I get tired, I don't have motivation, maybe something will hurt me, let's stop running, not do it. Or the second option, even more common, if you start running, then every time you will be, oh, can I run faster, can I run faster, can I run faster, maybe I can beat my previous record. So this type of mentality will not give the best health benefits. If you want to really relax, gain most value from these activities, then it has to be done in a peaceful, relaxed way that you can run and breathe peacefully. You are not exhausting yourself. It is a very good way and very good time to listen to something on your headphones. You have some nice inspiring class, or you have some album of nice songs that you really bring you to a more higher, more positive mood, then this is the time when you can really use this to your advantage. If you go for a run, if you listen to something nice, you can really switch your mind from thinking about future or thinking about your problems, thinking about your past. The exercise will help you to stop the mind of hankering for the future and lamenting for the past, and instead bring it to the present moment. And that's why you should try to get something really positive, really inspiring to listen to. You put it on your ears, you listen, you get into the present moment, and then also soon the colors of the life will come back. If you go for a walk or if you go for a run, try and see what happens after 20, 30, 40 minutes. Everything starts to change. When you start to exhaust your body a little bit, then naturally you will be more attentive to the nature. Just like a child who is always active, he runs out, he's straight away connected to everything. He's happy, he's joyful, everything is beautiful for him. But mostly for us, when we get a little bit older and older and older, the same connection, there can be the same connection with the nature, with the air, with the sun, with the earth, but it needs more time to switch from our really mental absorption in millions and millions of thoughts and so more, so to the point where we experience the nature, where we see the nature and feel it in its full colors. So this is a switch, an exercise to move your body in the fresh air is an exercise. Just like you have in a car, you need to put from one gear to other gear. If you are always in your exhaustion gear of busy life, then it will be a little bit challenged to put it into another gear where you can get relaxation and also charging up your batteries. So this is something that really helps. Exercise in the fresh air, walking, running, switch yourself from the exhausting mentality of looking for things, doing things, to a mentality of appreciating, being in the present moment, trying to learn something new, and it just naturally charges up your energy balance to deal with all kind of issues.